Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, we're going to talk about XRP, we're going to talk about ADA, BNB, Chainlink, and all of the top coins. And we're also going to talk about most of the DeFi coins, depending on your request, and all of that good stuff. So if you're new to our content now, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join our public Telegram group. If you want to join our public Telegram group, link in the description, and all of that good stuff. If you're looking to join the premium group, also Discord public group in the description. And if you want to upgrade to our premium, you can definitely let me know, and I'll get you upgraded. Right. So let's take a look at basically Bitcoin first before we talk about the rest of the market. Right. So we got 24 watching. If you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. We got 25 watching and 11 likes. So let's try to get it up to 20, at least. That way we get the likes up. But guys, the faster you like, right, the more views we're gonna get. You see what I'm saying? So if you just join and you hit the likes, you're gonna help your other, you're gonna help your other friends to also join the party. Okay, that's like our season popcorn party. So if you don't want your friends to miss out, right, make sure to hit the likes so they can get these altcoin popcorn pumps over the next like a few days, a few weeks, and so on, right? So let's start off with BTC. Stinky Linky Lanka to the moon, say Golden Globes. So we're gonna start off with BTC. We're just gonna get a fresh chart. That way it's going to be unbiased, right? All the analysis is going to be unbiased and all of that good stuff, right? And all your requests also going to be unbiased, right? So if you take a look at BTC, we've been we pumped it upside as we expected. Okay, we pumped to the upside as expected right here, right, and got rejected as expected. We said be cautious, anywhere around like a 38.6 up to like a 39.6. Beautiful rejection right here. Three-way move down, could not break below the 6 hour 100 EMA. We did break it, but managed to pump back above it. So it is slightly bullish short term, but I just don't like this move right here. Okay, the move we got right here, as we said in our premium group weekly update, BTC was gonna pump back up to 34.5. So that's the importance of joining the premium group. So if you are bearish right there, we want bearish right here. Okay, short term, okay, lower degree 6 hour to 8 hour, it is slightly bearish, yes, but it wasn't time to short right here. You see what I'm saying? Most people are gonna short because BTC dropped below 33. Okay, in our premium, what we said was like, if you look at the short, let it pump back up to 34.4, 34.7, then take the short. It is likely to give you a nice, a nice retest. Okay, a potential like a 4 to 5%, and you can put your stop loss just in case, right? Sucker basically want to create an overextended C wave right here. You see what I'm saying? So sometimes most people just get discouraged, right? Let's say they're looking for this wave, okay, but they're only looking for this wave, and they don't know like sometimes your C wave can be overextended, right? You get this A, B, C, right, to the upside before you drop the downside. Okay, so if BTC breaks resistance right here, most suckers gonna basically take the long, and it's not gonna go too far. Okay, something like that. Okay, on the lower degree, right? So just be cautious. And also one thing also, guys, I know most analysts, okay, they're going to be looking for this head and shoulder pattern formation, okay, and stuff like that. Yes, you can anticipate it, guys, but just be cautious, because these head and shoulders pattern formation, like I said, they do not play out as you're expecting. Okay, most of the time this head and shoulder pattern formation can give you another wick to the upside, not a wick, but a flat correction right here before dropping right here, okay, if that's the case, right? So just be cautious. Just like the move we got right here, you see most people call the head and shoulder too soon, okay? But as an Elliott wave analyst, right, I was ready for this move, okay? I was telling you guys 37.5, don't short it right here, because you're gonna get this flat correction before you get the, you're gonna get your 30k 29.3. That's why we bought right here, exactly, right? Took it to the upside, brought it back down to 29.3 again, took it to the upside, and get out. Okay, that's why it is very, very important to understand the wave analysis. If you don't understand the wave analysis, you might be longing right here and you're not supposed to be longing, or you're going to be longing right here and you're not supposed to be longing. And even if it breaks it, you might not need to long it. You might just wait for a rejection and you're going to take it back down right here. And you're going to be shorting right here. Sucker going to do something like this, right? Going to confuse you. And you're going to be trying to long it. Sucker going to do something like that, right? You're trying to short it. Sucker basically going to reverse, right? So just be cautious, right? And regarding those, regarding those waves, right? So most of the time you can anticipate it if you understand what's going on. You're not going to be 100% correct, right? Because market doesn't care about what we say, right? But if you can be correct, 70 to 80% out of time, you're going to be okay, right? Thanks a lot, Bitcoin bro. Mark Farmer, Matt Simp boy. I don't know what to say, Bitcoin bro. Thanks a lot for the tip, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, you're making my XRP back heavier. Oh, Mark Farmer. Mark Farmer is a name. This guy said Bitcoin is going to zero. Actually, he's not saying zero. He just said Bitcoin is going to $10. All right, that sounds good, right, Mark? Yeah, thanks a lot, Bitcoin bro. Tiffany in the house. Thanks a lot, Tiff. Thanks a lot for hitting the likes. And the faster you like also, yes, the faster you like, okay, the faster this altcoin gonna pump. Not even BTC Moon. BTC Mooning is just like a confirmation. It's not like it's not an if sentence, okay? It is a confirmation. BTC will moon, right? Can it dump before it moon? Yes, but BTC will moon, right? So, but if you want this alt to pump, right, make sure to hit the likes. The faster you hit it, the likelihood your alt will pump 10x to 20x, okay? So now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on the bullish side, right? On the bullish side, I'm 70% bullish, right? Even though, we can definitely retest the 30K and so on, but I'm 70% bullish. So just be cautious, right? BTC, it is still a hold. It is still a buy on a higher time frame, right? So when you take a look at the higher time frame right here, what we're saying is like, if you take a look at Bitcoin on a 2-day basis, we got the first touch, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, we're not breaking it. Okay, it is a very, very strong support level, and it is something we talked about over the last few weeks. We said exactly since when? October. Since October, guys, we said what? If BTC going to be above the 21 EMA, if like bulls are able to stay above the 21 EMA on a 2-day basis and do not break it, even if MACD is crossing bearish, it is still going to be bullish. Okay, it is still going to be bullish. So it means it is still accumulative. Okay, any dips right here, yes, you can short it, right, for like a 5-10% just to accumulate, right? But longer term, it is a buy. It is a buy. Can it drop lower? It is going to be a stronger buy. Because why? MACD is not going to stay bearish forever. It is going to flip. And once we flip back up and price action above the 21 EMA, that sucker going to move very fast. And you might not have to, I might not have time to buy more or like to accumulate more. So I think like anything around like a 30K plus minus 10, it is a strong buy for BTC, right? Because sucker can pump 30% overnight. If you take a look at our previous pump right here, we caught it in our premium group, and I also gave you guys a public update before the pump and say, guys, warning to all bears, we're gonna take it to the upside. That's a 30% move, guys. 30% move we caught in our premium. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, beautiful pump. So right here, so you guys can see, bang. Okay, 30% move. So if you can catch these 30% move in like a 2 to 3 days time frame, I don't think like a 25% drop on BTC, you know, 20% drop on BTC going to be a big deal. We just caught the 30% move. So if it drops 20%, it is just going to be a buy for another 50% move to the upside, right? So 2-day time frame, it is still very, very bullish. Okay, so now the 3-day time frame, it is still bearish on regarding the MACD, right? Price action still above the 211 EMA, so that is still bullish. Okay, it is just correcting, right? So it is just a correction as long as we stand above the 211 EMA. So any dips, again, once again, just about 293 is most likely going to be a buy. Okay, because we're going to be still looking for this move back up. Okay, we're going to be looking for the 40k potential target. So guys, hit the likes, man. We got 44 watching, 22 likes. If you do not hit the likes, guys, I'm gonna dump all your art. Hit the likes. We need 40 likes. All right, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Hit the likes. Don't be cheap with your fingers, man. Hit the likes. Hit the likes. Okay, hit the likes, guys. So hit the likes. So 3-day time frame, it is still bullish. So now let's go ahead and move on to the 7 days chart. So on the 7 days chart, the 7 days chart, when you take a look at it, guys, when you take a look at it, 7 days chart, it is not that bad, even though we're getting rejection. This candle opened like on the 29th. Okay, so it is gonna close just about like, you know, the 5th, the 4th, right? So you know, we got like 3 more days to close the candle. Okay, so if that's the case, right, we just need to close the candle green. So any dips within the next 2-3 days, if like we get another rebound back to 34, 35, that could be a potential bullish setup. Okay, so candle might not close red, right? Let's just keep that in mind, right? So if we retest anywhere around like a 30k to a 293, once again, it is going to be a potential you know, push back up. So let's just keep that in mind. On a weekly basis, not looking bad. Look, once again, we talked about our resistance on the weekly basis. One of the reasons why we said do not basically long BTC above this range, because that's a weekly resistance, just about 38k, right? And support area, once again, right there. So if you notice well, our support and resistance on the weekly basis, it is basically being respected. Okay, 32, 38 support, resistance. That's a bit. That's the 50-day cycle. So our 50-day cycle candle gonna close on the 19th. So we got like 18 more days to go. So what we said is like the likelihood of BTC retesting, closing below 29 before February 19th is very, very low. Okay, it's very, very low, and that's one of the reasons we're saying any dips, okay, at the weekly, at the yearly open and yearly low has to get bought up, guys. It is just what it is. We talked about it 2 or 3 weeks ago. Okay, we talked about it on the 7th. On the 7th, when BTC was at, BTC closed around like 39k, right? We said any dips back down here needs to be bought up. Okay, it is gonna bounce right back up. So that's the type of analysis you get with Send Crypto, right? Right here. After we pump, remember, from January 1st, right, to January 7th, we pump from 30k, actually 28.8, all the way up to where? 39. Okay, 39.5. We close at 39.5. So on January 7th, what I said was like any dips right here, okay, it is going to be a buy, because that's going to be our yearly low plus our yearly open. Okay, price action is not going to break it that easy. All right, it could take weeks. And if you just been buying the dips right here, you can buy the dips right here, you sell right there, buy right here, sell right there. Okay, and multiple times you could be doing very, very well just by buying the dips on BTC till basically February 20th, right? So guys, hit the likes, share, okay, in your other public Telegram group. So let's just do it like this. I don't know why I repeated my title. Massive Bitcoin correction all season has begun. Yeah, right. I think that's better title right here. So we're gonna talk about all seasons. So let me do this. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Jason. Jason is saying like I should know how to call a breakout setup. Yes, I do know how to call a breakout setup, right? And I don't call like a 10% breakout. I call 100% breakout, guys. So hey, what's up, Lois? Yeah. So yeah. So basically, guys, we talked about it already. So now let's take a look at our monthly candle, guys. So monthly, what guys, I already told you all of these good stuff, guys. Okay, we you know, our group already knew exactly what's going on, even the public group. I told you like the monthly is not going to close right by the dip. Okay, monthly is not going to close right, and right now it is we got a strong momentum, guys. We got 4 more weeks. We got 4 more weeks to close this current monthly candle, and we said the 50-day cycle is not going to close below right here. Remember, the 50-day cycle is going to close when? On the 19th. So any dips right here, okay, has to get bought up till the 19th, right? The monthly could start red right here, dips down, but it's not, you know, it might not stay there too long till the 20th. Okay, it's not going to stay there too long. Okay, before the 19th it's going to flip back up. Remember, 50-day once again cannot be red if like we're going to be in a bull market. Not cannot, but it is going to reduce the probability of you know, going higher. Okay, once again, I'm not saying it cannot, but I'm saying the probability of being in a bull run going to get lower. So since like bulls are pretty confident they're gonna go much higher, over 80K, right? They have to keep this candle green. Okay, they have to, guys, they have to. Okay, quarterly candle, nothing crazy. I don't think we're gonna wipe out the previous quarterly candle, so that's a no. So dropping all the way back down to 10K in this quarter, I don't see it happening, right? I really don't see. I'm not saying it. Once again, you can never be 100% sure in this market. Always give yourself some you know, some marginal errors, just to basically cover yourself, just in case like we get another pandemic, right? Another COVID-20, right? And or COVID-2021, right? So and then sucker gonna be dumping right here, and it is gonna give us a nice opportunity to accumulate more again. But I just don't see it naturally happening in this quarter. So BTC is very strong. Any dips within this candle are going to be a buy. Okay, any dips, okay, in this candle at any given time in this quarter, it is going to be a strong guys, strong buy. All right, so 88 BTC and all of that good stuff. XRP, Method Man, XRP. So guys, make sure to join the public Telegram group. We got the monthly subscription right now. So if you want to join the not public Telegram group, but the Discord Premium, that way you get your, you know, personalized setup, right? You get your medium to long term setup, 3 to 5 weeks, big move to the upside, just like Sushi, okay, just like Band, Balancer, ADA, DOT, those type of setup. If you want to get those, you have to join the public Telegram group. All right, that way we let's get this popcorn party popping, guys. Hit the likes, guys, says Jason. Thanks a lot, Jason. So so BTC, it is very guys, very strong. Okay, I just don't know how can I emphasize it, okay, how strong BTC is right now. Okay, so be cautious shorting the market. You might want to short it short term, in the short term, but you don't want to short it like for a like trying to short it down to like a 20K, 18K, and all of that. Okay, I think like 5 to 10% short is maximum good to take profits. Right? But I'm not really you know, I really don't want to be get caught up in a short position, and then you're going to be suffering a lot, right? So right now, let's move on to BNB before we talk about other alt like Ethereum. So BNB, what we said. Thanks a lot, guys. I see the likes are pretty up right now, so we're getting new people coming in. As you can see, as you hit the likes, you get like new moon boys coming in, right? So new moon boys, if you just join and you want to invite other moon boys, all you have to do is just hit the likes. If you hit the likes, your other friends gonna get notified quickly, right? So BNB, guys, I give you my BNB long-term analysis, right? If you're in my premium, you know exactly what we're looking for BNB long-term, right? So not the quarterly, but the 50-day cycle, what we said is like BNB is a buy, okay? Regardless how impulsive we could drop down to like a mid 30K and stuff like that, it is going to be a strong buy, guys. Like I said it back in October when BTC was right here, okay? Just by October 27th, what I said was like, if we close above 10.5 by October 27th, BTC gonna, it doesn't have any, it won't have any resistance all the way up to the moon, okay? After we land, okay, we're gonna basically look for some dump analysis. But the same thing with BNB, guys, okay? I've been warning you, sucker could go all the way up to $500, $600, right? So let's just keep that in mind. 50-day cycle, BNB, it is a good hold, right? And if you really take a look at it, right, it is moving in a trend line basis, right? Just broke resistance right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it in my premium so you guys know what I'm talking about, guys. Black screen, nope. Let's go ahead and take a look at it right here. Let's do BNB USDT. So when you join my premium group, all you have to do, if you're looking for an alt, just search it right on the top right corner, tapping the alt you're looking for, and it is gonna show up, okay, if I have a setup for it. So that's BNB 50-day cycle. I updated it like a month ago on December, you know, 23rd. This, what happened back in December 23rd is like December 23rd. The reason why, you know, I like dates, right? Specific dates, right? It is very important. The reason why I like it, because December 23rd was when alt bottomed, okay? So I intentionally updated most of my alt on December 23rd because I knew, okay, with a very high probability, right, within the next like 50-day cycle, they're gonna go crazy. Okay, they're gonna go crazy because the 50-day cycle was gonna open like in the week like January 1st. So I updated BNB, and exactly what I said regarding BNB, it is going to be a new bull market above this range. And what was the range? $31. Okay, $31. Right now, that time BNB was $30, guys. Okay, I said if it dips, it's okay. It can dip down, right, to the support area down to 14, but it's not going to be a big deal. So we just have to accumulate down, whatever, you know, if it drops, accumulate. If it drops, accumulate. You can see like now we above the resistance line on the 50-day cycle, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right here, right? It is very, very important, right? Right here, okay? So if you take a look at it, if you do a let's go ahead and take a look at BNB now. But before we go, before we talk about BNB current cycle, you can see like right here, $55. We already nearly hit $55. Next upside target going to be 112. Okay, it is only 100% move, so it's not a big deal because XRP just gave us a 200% move from 25, 24 all the way up to 75 to 80 cents, right? So an upside target after they're going to be 275, guys. You only get these with Send Crypto. So if you want to get like constant updates with Send Crypto, make sure to join the premium group. And also, guys, before we go back to BNB, our most recent update, right, which is one of the alt that is pumping right now pretty hard. It is what? You guys know it, okay? Band. Okay. Before we talk about Band, but take a look at Balancer right here. Balancer, we updated it. We updated Balancer on us like 2 weeks ago, when Balancer was like, even before like, you know, 59,000 sats, right? We updated it right here. We said buy Balancer on like 50,000 sats. We're gonna go all the way up to 80,000 sats. And now if you take a look at it, we hit all targets, 64,000 and 83,000. And what we did right now, we just updated it right here. Take a look, we hit all targets, and we're looking for 150,000 sats right now. Only Send Crypto can give you these targets, guys. Only Send Crypto. And nobody talks about Balancer, okay? Only Send Crypto. So new upside target for Balancer, 145,000, 150,000. I forgot a zero right here. With this sats, man, be careful, because you don't want to forget a zero right here. Okay, 150,000 to basically 145,000, 150,000 sats. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, so Balancer, that's the next upside potential, right? So that's the type of setup, guys. Once again, you get with Send Crypto, and not just that, guys. We get crazy targets, okay? We get crazy targets, all right? Crazy target. BNB, Ether, we talk about it, 30% breakout. So let's say you want to increase your BNB, your Ethers, and you got like, let's say 10 Ether, and you're looking to make like 13 Ether. We talk about it right here. BNB, when BNB was right there, BNB Ether, we're going to pump 30% versus Ether. And that's what we're doing exactly right now. So in order to increase your Ether, we got also a strategy, got a target for ICX and all of that good stuff, okay? ICX and all of that good stuff. So FTM was also one of our biggest target, guys. We nailed this one. FTM, okay, we beautifully, guys, hit our target above like 1600 sats, guys. Bang, guys, bang, 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 guys, bang. Beautiful setup, guys. And this sucker was down like to right here, okay, right there. Almost 40 sats, man. Almost 40 sats, man. All right, let's go back to the real good stuff now. Right, so if you take a look at BNB, if we go back to BNB analysis, right? So if you go back to BNB analysis, you can see like on the 50-day cycle, we did get a low volume right here, sell volume. So it wasn't a big deal. We did get a big volume at the bottom. That was a good move, right? So now, you know, the trend has begun, okay? And it could go much higher, okay? Much higher. So if we just do a swing low right here, swing high, excuse me, to swing low, if you even want to do it that way, right, it is also pretty valid, right? You can do a swing low to swing high right here, right? You can do a swing low, which is like the swing high of $40 to the swing low of $6. One-to-one extension to the upside going to be $65, okay? So 1.61, 1.41 going to be $85. So either way you look at it, right? 1.618 going to be 124. So both of these numbers, all of these numbers basically calling for our, you know, $80, $100, $200, $500 BNB over the next like a few weeks, few months, right? So BNB, it is a good hold. One thing you just have to keep in mind is like most people are going to be trying to play the trend line analysis right here. So we could get a strong resistance just about like a $65 to $80 range, okay? But it might be just temporary because the macro is starting a new bull trend like this. So we could get like a 200 days of pumping and all of that good stuff, all right? Something to keep in mind. Sidecoin, see your coin. No, I'm not sleeping on it. Nulls, I'm not watching nulls on dollar value. I'm just watching nulls on nulls is under my watch list. It's just I just got so many setups, like, you know, and they're all doing well, so I don't want to introduce like a new setups. But I'm watching nulls. I'm watching one chain. I think we got one chain set up too. I'm watching Syscoin, storage, you know, Dusk. I'm watching it. It has a beautiful setup. Yo also has a beautiful setup. I'm watching it, but just haven't sent the setup yet. Okay. Also, Civic got a nice setup. CVC. Yeah. So BNB, we're done with BNB. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, guys. Bitcoin Cash. Seems like market is pulling back a bit. So as I said, right, so when you take a look at Ethereum, we're gonna talk about a little bit about the macro scale. Also BNB, it is not BNB, Ethereum on the macro scale already brought the all-time high resistance based on a closing basis 950. Remember 944 was our target, right? When was one of our target, 944, 1035, 1333, right? So now in terms of like a macro cycle, right, the high right here on Poloniex was like 1423. The high right here is like 1474. So we did break the high. Okay, we did violated the absolute high, but we're not currently closing, okay, above the 944, 950 resistance based on closing basis, right? So we just need to close above 950, right, before end of the month, before end of February 19th, okay, before end of the cycle right here. So once again, that's what I'm saying. Sucker is very bullish. Any dips down to 950, 1080, okay, going to be a good buy. That's a macro view, okay. On the lower degree, we can get some noise dropping all the way down. If you're not paying attention to the macro scale, you might be doomed, okay. You might be doomed, and you might be selling at like 950, 1000 and all of that good stuff, but it is going to be a strong buy too, in my own opinion, okay. Macro scale is very bullish. Whenever the 50-day cycle breaks resistance, it is a buy. I know it is going to be high, but you don't know how high it is going to go. You might be calling Ethereum $1,000 expensive, but guys, imagine if this sucker going to be doing another one-to-one extension, okay, from swing low of 83 to swing high right here of 950. If we just gonna do a one-to-one extension, okay, sucker is going all the way up to $10,000. Okay, so you know, $10,000 Ethereum is real. Okay, it can happen, right? Based on you know, the wave analysis, based on the you know, based on the structure, right? So it can happen. Okay, can we also violate the resistance line right here and dip lower? Absolutely, we can do that. But once again, the macro cycle is stronger than the lower, you know, the micro cycle, the lower degree. Okay, so any dips, once again, for Ethereum, it is just going to be another opportunity to buy more, not to sell. Okay, because as you can see on the 50-day cycle, okay, since like April, that's 2, 4, 6, okay, 6 times 50, that's 300 days, 315 days nearly, actually 300 days exactly, give or take. Ethereum has been going up. Okay, if you count the days, right, the number of days right here, okay, it is almost 265 right now. Okay, 265 days. That's what it says, right? So, but you know, it is nearly 300 days. Ethereum been going up since, like, you know, 170. So it is very bullish. I'm gonna be expecting some red candles along the way. It's not like it is BTC, right? But I would be expecting like a 50 to 100 days of sideways correction somewhere around here. I don't know when, but we're gonna get it. So if you don't understand what's going on when Ethereum get this big rejection, you might be saying, oh, we're doomed. But it might be just a correction, just like that. A potential 200 days of sideways correction. Not 200 days, but 100 days probably, right? Which is just a, you know, a month or two months, about 2 months, right? So I mean, you would love a pullback to 900, but guys, if you're looking for 10K, I think like buying it right now is starting. I mean, I'm not giving you any financial advice, but start buying it right now is a better deal, okay? 14, because once we pump above like 25, you're gonna be like, man, I wish I would, you know, I wish we see 1500. You might not see 1500 again, okay? So I think the best thing to do, in my own opinion, is like to dollar cost average. Anything below 1500, it is a buy, okay? All the way down to like 950 or even 750, okay? Even 750, it is a buy, okay? So and don't discount also the possibility of retesting 750. Also, don't discount that possibility, right? You've been holding Civic. Oh, Civic is doing well. I think the low for Civic was like 3 cents or 5 cents, something like that. Can't remember. All right. So Ether, let's go ahead and take a look at Ether now on your weekly basis. So on the weekly basis, doesn't look bad at all. Okay. So weekly 21 EMA just about like 8,000, 800, right? So weekly 21 EMA 800. We're still making high highs, right? You know, high lows, but it is struggling really hard to make these moves, okay? So just be mindful. If we get this move, it is still going to be a buy, right? But I would not still be shorting Ether right now, okay? I would still, because macro scale is very bullish. And if you pay attention to you know, the macro level, when Ether was right here, most people wanted to short it. I said, guys, even though, you know, we can wick down to 550, the directional move is right here. You might make a little bit profits shorting it down, but you might get caught up also and forget about the macro picture, because, you know, we said from 500 we're going all the way up to 1200, 1300. So pay attention to the bigger picture than trying to get some cheap Ether and then you ended up missing the big move, okay? Best thing to do to accumulate Ether right now, in my own opinion, is trade Ether, alt Ether pair. Well, let's say you got 1 Ether right now, right? And you're trying to increase it to 10 Ether, right? I showed you guys. I told you BNB Ether was very bullish. BNB. What this sucker is doing? It's not typing. BNB Ether. Okay. So what I showed you right here, I don't know, whenever I do this sucker, it doesn't show up. It doesn't show my settings. Please delete. Oh no, that's a new layout. So I showed my premium group, right, when BNB was right here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, guys. At the very bottom, guys, what I said right here, I was like, it's gonna pump 30% versus Ether. Right there, I can show you guys. You only get these setups with Sun Crypto, guys. I'm only get this setup with Sun Crypto. You only get these setups with Sun Crypto. So you increase your Ether by 30%, right? Just by, you know, trading BNB Ether, right? So if you take a look at it right here, right? So BNB Ether is right there. At the very bottom, guys, we called it right here. Just like we called Kusama. Kusama pumped 100% versus BTC. Okay, it pumped like 100% versus Ether also, right? You could have doubled your Ether trading Kusama. You could have doubled your Ether, hit 30%, you know, of your Ethers, right? Increase your Ether by 30% by trading BNB also, BNB Ether. Okay, no leverage, guys, no leverage. Okay, so that's the type of setup you get with Sun Crypto, guys. You get one of the best setups. I'm not saying it, right? I'm not saying it, but people in the testimonial saying it. Okay, right here. Okay, Java been following me since 2019, guys. So you know, and basically just decided to join about 6 months ago. Okay, he's saying basically, saying crypto is making my life easy. All you have to do, follow the setups. You buy, you huddle. I'm not giving you auto like you're gonna huddle like 10 years, maximum probably 3 to 4 weeks. This sucker's gonna pump 2 to 3x. Sometimes not even that long. If I find the right setup with high confidence, just like what we got on right here, what we got on Ether, BNB Ether. You know, I sent this one last week right here. Okay, on the 25th. It is already like the first. So just 1 week, you increase 30% of your Ether, and Ether is now even pumping 10%. Okay, so you don't need Ether to pump 30% for you to make profits, right? You don't need Ether to pump 10% for you to make profits, right? So let's go back to the good stuff. So guys, hit the likes, invite your other friends, follow me on TradingView, follow me on Twitter, follow me on, of course, on YouTube, right? And follow me on Telegram, follow me on Discord, link in the description, right? Follow me on Twitch. I got all of that, guys. Okay, all of that good stuff. Telling you guys, I'm giving you the good stuff, right? I'm giving you the good stuff, guys. I'm giving you the good stuff. So Ether still is very, very bullish versus I mean a BNB. It is still very, very bullish versus Ether, right? So let's go back to Ether. So if you go back to Ether, right here on the lower degree, we do have a wedge pattern, right? We do have a wedge pattern. Yeah, guys, we got 72 watching, 58 likes. You guys doing a great job, right? Thanks a lot, Davis. Mark from yeah, Ether. If you take a look at Ether right here, you got multiple setups. You could draw right here, okay? You could draw something like that, right? It reminds me of BTC, right? Back in the 5K area, right? If you take a look at his setup, right? Remember back in 2019 when BTC was like fluctuating between 55 to 5,000 area, right? Same setup, okay? Same setup, and BTC decided to to take off. Even though, okay, at that time most people were saying we're gonna get this move, like I'm saying right now, it is possible to make this move down, but it is not guaranteed. That's why I'm saying if you stay with the macro scale, if you have your orders right here, okay, if market wants to take it, it will. If market doesn't want to take it, it won't. Okay, you can still buy higher, right? But you're expecting also higher prices, right? Just because you're buying higher doesn't mean you're not going to make profits. You could make more profit than, even if you buy it lower, because most people who buy low, they sell early. You see what I'm saying? People who bought Ether, not all, but most people who bought Ether, like right here, 300, they already sold it like around like $1,000. Okay, they're waiting for 300 again. They might not get it again. Not 300, but like maybe 700, 600. They might not get it, right? Not saying they won't. Okay, so either you can draw it like that, or you can draw it on the higher time frame on the 2-day basis. Let's take a look at daily. On a daily basis, you could draw it differently. Okay, that's why sometimes the way you draw the market is very subjective. You could draw it like that and like that. Okay, you could draw it like that. Okay, or even like that, right? You can draw it like that. So, and I think like a Robin is drawing it like that, which is correct. Okay, it's correct. You can draw it like that. So it is very subjective, and you could be looking for this move. That's why sometimes it is good to pay attention to your MACDs and all of that good stuff, and that could take us all the way up to like over 1750, where we have a target. Okay, So once again, Ether is bullish. This pattern going to confirm if we get a bullish crossover on our daily MACD right here. Okay, once we get the bullish crossover, it is going to be a potential strong move. And also on the 2-day basis, right? If we flip bullish also on a 2-day basis, that's going to be a stronger trend, right? So let's see which one we're going to get. Either way you look at it, both of them bullish. Retest of this range going to be a buy. Breakout also going to be a hurdle, right? So yo, send Jamie in the house. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hey guys, make sure to hit the likes if you just join in. BNB is my baby. Say okay, that's great. I love your baby too. Let me see. Yeah, so Ether, we're done with Ether. So guys, so now I'm just gonna take your requests, see what you guys have to say regarding the market, because I give you guys so many targets and all of them getting hit. So and I'm also giving you guys monthly subscriptions. So if you want you know, some targets and setups, join the premium group so you can get more detailed analysis. All right, so let me see what you guys have to say regarding the market, and if you want me to check any coins for you guys. ADA BTC. So ADA BTC. Yeah, ADA BTC is breaking out, so it looks like a hold. Okay, above 2-day 211 EMA, hit the support area, resistance just about this area. Okay, it is still a good hold. It is just about resistance right there, but still a good hold. Let's see. We just talked about ADA BTC. It has a beautiful setup. If you join the premium group, you can get the entire setup. It does have a nice pattern right here, so it was definitely predicted for a potential move, right? A beautiful setup right here also, right? Beautiful setup, breakout, so it is still a hold, right? The F2 pool, I don't know the F2 pool. BCH, let's take a look at BCH. So BCH, it will be a buy very soon, right? Let's see. I think we're sitting on the 3-day 21. So we're sitting on top of the 3-day 21. So it is going to break out very soon, right? So I was expecting the breakout too early right here, a retest right here, but we did not retest the 580 to 600. So we got this 3-day move, so we're most likely going to get this move at some point, right? So not sure if the move gonna come back down before pumping, but let's see. Okay, it is still a buy. Buy range was, I think, like 370, right? 370 was support. We talked about it when it was like dropping and fell to hit 600, right? EOS BNB. So guys, hit the likes, invite your other friends in your other channels. So EOS BNB, let's take a look. 3-day basis, not looking so great. So I would wait for the first breakout to worry about EOS BNB. It does have a breakout setup. You could try to anticipate it. It is very dangerous, but you could start like to accumulate, right? But since BNB is very strong, I would just wait till BNB cool off, and then you can switch to EOS, because you can definitely get this move back up to like a 0.11. Okay, but we'll need a double bottom right here, so would not try to jump in too soon. Once you get this move, let it do something like this, and then you can take it right here. Okay, wait for the double top, right, and then buy the 0.618. Okay, it's going to be a beautiful setup. You already got your divergence, you're just waiting for the setup to confirm. AMPL BTC. So I think we talked about this ample fourth before, right? So it has nice accumulation, right? So it is still a hold. You got your resistance, primary resistance just about 111,000, and second resistance all the way up to basically 150,000 sats, right? So right there, it's actually 15,000, not 150,000, 15,000. August high, July, August high is right here, just about 21,000. Okay. So just need to break this wedge pattern. It looks nice. Okay. AMPL USD, AMPL. Yeah, versus a USD, it looks like a hold, looking like a breakout, right? It is still a hold. New entry, wait for the dump. It is gonna dump. Okay, give you this fake out, get back inside the triangle, you take it to the upside. I play this setup on why? On where, guys? You gotta remember this setup, EGLD, bang. Okay, EGLD and a FTM, right? Let's take a look at AMPL USD on KuCoin. So guys, if you're looking to join some crypto premium, you know exactly what to do. Alright. So same setup. It is still accumulating. Not confirmed yet. It's not even confirmed like you're gonna get the move. You could just still get this move right here. Okay. You need to break out cleanly. It is still very accumulative. XRP. We're gonna take a look at XRP. Sugar in a house. STX BTC, guys, ask me about the BTC pair. That's better. It has a better chart right now. STX BTC, I do have a chart on my other layout. It is still very accumulative, just like a, you know, just like a Filecoin. Okay, very accumulative. So just huddle this box by the dip. It's gonna break out. Okay. If it breaks out low, it might be just a fake out for another retest before moving higher. Okay. Let's see. Uniswap. Let's take a look at UniBTC. So UniBTC, beautiful double bottom right here, pump to the upside. That's wave 1, 2. So we could be expecting a potential retracement. So versus BTC at some point, but no sign of reversal yet. We'll have to wait. It is still a hold. Okay, so Uni, we were bullish on it right there. Okay, we are bullish on Uni all along this way. Okay, we said just buy the dip huddle. Okay, beautiful pump, retest, never look back. So guys, make sure to hit the likes. Okay, we should have like 700 people, 1,000 people watching right now. So hit the like so we can get more people joining the stream. So we got a pump right here. Not sure if this guy gonna be breaking out. I would wait for this move. If you're huddling it, that's still a huddle. If you want to add on, you wait for the move right here. The other possibility is like, if we do not retest the low, it might take, you know, sometimes to break out, which is get this move right here and still come back right here and probably wick and go to the upside. So, but we do have a high interest range right here, high interest of you know, accumulation right here for most bulls. So it is still a hold, right? Let's see. What do I look for? I don't. Join the premium group so you can get all this set up and tell you what I look for. Sometimes what I look for, it is not like it is not systematic, right? It is just depend on market conditions. Okay, But what I look for is it's not like sometimes I look for every it's not like I'm looking for the same setup all the time. It all depends on the market conditions, right? It all depends on the market sentiment and all of that good stuff, right? But some of these setups, I recognize them already. Like I know these setups. Like I can tell you like multiple alt with this with similar setups, right? This entire structure right here. I can break it down for you. I can break it down for you like crazy, but I don't have time for that, right? I can break. This is very bullish actually. Okay, I can break it down for you from this point, okay, to that point, to that point, to that point, to this here, and all of that good stuff. I can break it down for you, right? Because I'll study the market, guys. I'll study the market. I'll study the market around the clock. Around the clock, guys. Around the clock. Okay. Let's see. I just don't get up and talk nonsense like, oh, we're going to the moon. I don't do that, guys. I don't do that, guys. I don't do that. Study the market, and you go back and check all the alts and crypto gave you over the last 3 weeks. Yes, you could say, oh, the market is pumping, guys. The market is pumping, but is everything pumping? Nope. Some alts are still like at the same level they were what October, November. Okay, so I just gave you a check out my trading view. I just sent you guys band, even though band is a band BTC is a premium target. I just give you guys a little test, right? So you know what's going on, right? Band BTC, guys, it was a setup. Talk about it long time ago. Right here, I was like any dips right here. Even Algo gave us the same setup. I told you last week. Okay, Algo is a good hold. We got the same wick to the downside, guys. You see this? That's beautiful. I knew this move gonna come. Okay, I knew this move gonna come, right? So right now, band, people are gonna be FOMOing, right? So it can still correct too, right? It is still a hold. Morphos. How much more do I think XRP will drop? Targeting 21p UK. I don't know what that means. 21p. 21 million. 21. I don't know. $2.10. $2 euro. Two 10 pound. Okay. Oh, pound. Oh, okay. Okay. MRPH. I think like Morphos, right? MRPH. I think it's Morphos. I'm not sure. I think I'll analyze this coin before. Yeah, Morphos, Bittrex. Morphos, it might not have a good chart for me to do anything, but let's give it a chart. Give it a chance. Yeah, it broke resistance right there, so it is still a good hold, good volume, so no need to do anything. No need to do anything. Check the BTC pair. Yep, the BTC pair, good move. Very accumulative, right? You see what I just told you on AMPL? I think it's AMPL, right? Same setup, right? But I think AMPM was like on the dollar value, it's breaking out. So what I told you guys, I know what I'm telling you guys. I don't tell you nonsense, guys. I'm telling you, just showed you like same setup on AMPL USDT, right? That's exactly what we just said on AMPL, right? Okay, that's exactly what we said on. This move has a potential to retest the low before going to the moon. It can do all this nonsense, but once again, I'm not saying it's gonna do this like next year. It is just, you know, random drawing. Just saying it's gonna do this, right? So it is still a good hold. Right. Dent. Oh man, Dent wrecked me, man. I put some money on Dent 2017. I think it's worth a penny right now. The sucker wrecked me. Yeah, dent, yeah. I'm 99.99% down on my dent. I think I put like almost 1 ETH on this sucker. Let's see. Right here. I'm down like 99.999. I'm down like minus just jerking that 99%. So dent, I can do anything with it. It might just been a pump, I don't know, pump and dump I would say, but it's very I mean it worth buying. Like 1 sats right now, 2, 4, 6, it's like 1 sats. Even if you put your 1 ether back, if it pump 10, you know, 10x, you will make your 10 ether back. Yeah, I mean I think dent is on Binance also, right? So yeah, but sometimes just because they're cheap doesn't mean they can pump. Be cautious with that. Just because they cost one sats doesn't mean they're gonna go back to like a 2,000 sats, right? 2,000x like that, 6,000. This sucker was so expensive, man. Let's see right here. Sucker was so expensive, and I think at some point it was top 100 coins, but 2, 4, it was like 600 sats all time high, not 2,000, 600 sats. What's up, Strength? Thanks for the opportunity. So let's go and take a look at XRP BTC. So XRP BTC, guys, I gave you guys an analysis regarding XRP BTC, guys. I told you don't follow XRP BTC, it is more important. So if you haven't watched my XRP BTC analysis, go ahead and watch it. Let me give it a link, guys. Let me give it a link, because Send Crypto, right, it give it to you like you want it. He give it to you like you want it. Let's see, XRP BTC. Guys, hit the likes and subscribe, right? Hit the likes and subscribe. Hit the likes and subscribe. Let's do this. I just uploaded a NEO price prediction also for those of you guys interested about NEO. So let's see something really quick. I mean, how is BZRX? Join the premium group, right? So you can get like a constant update regarding BZRX and all of that. BZRX is doing fine. Paul Imran in the house. RDN. Let's go ahead and check. But XRP, BTC on a 2-day basis, guys. I'm telling you guys, I'm not from the future, but one thing I told you guys regarding XRP BTC, I put a link of that video in the description. If you like, you can go back and watch it. One thing we could potentially get is like a bullish divergence. We talk about it right here. Yeah, look for this bullish divergence, right? The move is overextended, but the bullish divergence doesn't change anything. So XRP can still retest the low right here, 500, 600 to 800 sats again, right? And give us this move back down. And then we could go to the moon after that, right? So let's see what we're gonna get, all right? RDN. That video, like I sent that video like 2 weeks ago, so I don't want anybody to tell me like, oh, you saying it after the dump. We said it before the pump and before the dump. RDN radar network looks pretty good. I had it under my radar right here. You see, this is my other layout, but this was like my August 2019 layout right here. Okay, my other August 2019 setup. So RDN still a good hold right here. Very, very good hold. Very, very good hold. Very, very good hold, guys. Very, very good hold. So it is a good hold in this range. Any dips. So guys, hit the likes. You guys hitting the likes anyway. Invite your other friends, guys. Invite your other friends in your other Telegram group. Send a link. Send Crypto 0. That's all you have to do. Join Send Crypto 0 in your other Telegram group. Send Crypto 0. Add Send Crypto 0. I don't know which one has a longer history, but it doesn't have a bit. It has a BTC pair right here. Man, I can do anything with this. Okay. I mean, it looks pretty strong. Okay, looks pretty strong. Just need to break this resistance right here. If it breaks it, it's gonna go high. Okay. But if like we break below this trend line right here, you might need to be cautious. Okay. Not to be, once we break the trend line and start moving sideways, you're gonna get another pump right here. If that pump fails, it's time to get out, right? But if it breaks out by moving sideways, giving you this 3-wave, you just suck it up and hold it. So it is still a hold. I don't see anything crazy to call for a bear setup. Hey, what's up? What's up? Morning, Walter. Walter must be living in Australia. Saying morning. BZRX, it is still a hold. The BTC pair, I told you about BZRX, Balancer, right? BAL, BTC, Band, BTC, all of that good stuff, guys. All the B's, BNBs, okay. What other B? Bitcoin Cash need to. I think Bitcoin Cash. I will take a look at Bitcoin Cash, BTC. But all the B's, I'll give you a. If this sucker pump, man, if somebody comes and tell me where should I buy, I'm just gonna spank you, man. I told you about BZRX since like when, guys. Right here, December, okay, right here. Okay, January, first week of January, right there. Okay, that's when I mentioned BZRX, right there at the very bottom, guys. BZRX, Kusama, all of that good stuff, right here. Okay, right here, right here. This sucker gonna outperform. BTC is gonna outperform. Ether is gonna outperform all of them. Okay, even this move is not like you know, don't discount the wick to the downside to retest 600 again, right? So it's just going to be a correction. Mellow yellow 101 is saying, hey Sam, can you check Dogecoin? So let's go back to BTC, guys. I check all your alt, guys. I check nearly all your alts. Let's go back to my BTC. So BTC is still moving sideways, guys. I think like it is good to buy the dips, right? Because once again, once we get the bullish crossover, it's no more like, are we gonna dump again? It's none of that. Okay. Once we get this move, right, could do this, drop down, break the 21 EMA, right here, move sideways, and potentially get a support even from the 100 EMA right here, right there, if that's going to play out like that, right? And then we get the bullish crossover right there again once we break above the 21 EMA, which is right here, which is going to be right there potentially, right? Man, sucker will not look back. That way we're gonna get our WXY correction. You see, that's, you're gonna get your WXY correction, right? And then bang. So yes, we can drop lower. We can drop lower, but we need to break below this range first before we talk about, you know, bearish setup. Yeah, Bell BTC is a hold, man. Sucker beautiful. It's going to be a hold for the next few weeks. Okay. Not sure if not sure if Bull's gonna get another chance of buying right here, but that would be a golden opportunity. Okay, that would be golden. We could just do this, right? Yeah. If you get this move, that's going to be golden right here to restart the move, and then we're going to do this. That's going to be golden, but the move we got right now is enough to call for a move anyway, right? It doesn't have to retest right here, but it will be golden, guys. It will be golden if we get first, second, and third. I would ignore this one, right? But and that one right here, just like just like RSR. Let's check RSR. RSR is finna moon, guys. Finna moon so bad. I'm scared to send this one, guys, because it's finna moon so bad. I'm scared to send this one. I'm scared to send this one, guys. I don't think we're gonna. I don't know. I already got this. It hasn't been moving yet. Okay. I mean, it's been moving, but just sideways. Okay. I already got the setup and everything. I just gotta wait for the right time to talk about it. But right there, right there, right there. So this move right here, when I first got the setup, it was right there, just about like 100 sats, right? It did drop all the way down to like 85. I was looking for like 70, right? 50 to 70 right here, right? So, but that's going to be a 30% drop is not that bad, really, right here. It's not that bad. I don't know. I don't know, but it is a hold. It is a very, 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 very good hold going in, like, you know, next quarter especially. Okay. So, but it's not going to break out of this range. The breakout going to start from here. So if you buy it right now, don't expect a big pump. Just wait. Alt season has not started. I don't know where have you been, Blockchain Planet? These alt are up 200%, 300%. You say alt season has not started. That's how you get caught up with all that good stuff, because you know, I don't know. That's how people get caught up, and then they're gonna buy the top after this alt up like 5x 10x, they're going to be saying, oh, alt season is up. You don't buy the top like that. You know, alt season been up since December 23rd, guys, and it is something I gave you a warning back in October, late December, buy the alt dump. That's exactly what we said. Okay, we could get a break somewhere around like late February to early March. We could get a big dump also. Okay, most people are saying alt season gonna start like March. Alt season has already started, so most people are gonna be buying. Like for instance, right now, RSR is at the bottom right now. Beautiful bottom formation. It could potentially pump 3 times bigger than the bottom, right? 3 times. This is 1, right? That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. It can pump all the way up to that level, right? But most people are gonna start buying right here. Okay, and it's gonna pump right there. They're gonna stop buying because they're gonna think like it's gonna moon and sucker gonna do it right that right. It's gonna drop right back down. We test the bottom. You buy it right here, or even if it breaks it right here, it's not gonna drop too low. It's just gonna make another lower bottom before reversing. You buy them when they're moving sideways. This structure right here, it is one of the most bullish structure you can find in the market. I said it multiple times. I said it on Kusama, I said it on CRV, okay, I said it on BNB, okay, BZRX, BTC down, Bitcoin, okay, even XRP, the most recent pump, it is pretty much similar in like 70% with this move. This sucker gonna pump very hard. Okay, so have it under your radar. Man, okay, go ahead, take it. Alt season has not started. All right, go ahead and don't buy this alt and wait till alt season starts. Right, wait till alt season starts. Alt season has not started. You go ahead and I'm gonna show you our premium targets, and you tell me if alt season has started, guys. I study the market around the clock. I don't make videos for the views. Okay, I study the market around the clock. Okay, so you go ahead and like 3 months ago, not even 3 months ago, right? Just a month ago. no, let's go back 3 months ago. Let's go back. Look at January, okay? Our atom setup, $4. Okay, we're looking for $13. Sucker pump all the way up to our target, $8. You tell me our season has not started. Maybe you're waiting for 1000x, right? But let's go ahead and take a look at FTM BTC. That's too early. That was too. That's like a FTM BTC on the 28th, right? So let's take a look at it before the 28th, right here. Not this. Not our February picks. Not even right here. That's too early. That's too late actually. Right here. Not that one. Let's take a look at FTM right here. That was like, this one was like mid-December, December 15. Okay, what was the price of FTM? Just about like 110. Guess what? Well, guess what we were expecting? 300%, up to like a $300 sats, right? That's 200% move, right? Look at the initial setup right here when we talk about FTM, right? That's what we were looking for. Come on, Discord. That's like December 12th, okay, right there. And then I upgraded it December 15, right? But now let's go ahead and take a look at the price action of FTM. And I told you about FTM, not just FTM, like FTM, right? I gave you guys a FTM setup. Let's see right here. Let's go to FTM right now. FTM BTC. You sit right there and waiting for this alt to Okay, where did FTM pump? Where is the target? Right here. That's 1600. That's right here. That's like 500. Guess where sucker pumps? All the way up to 700. Okay, all the way up to 700, right? FTM BTC. And when did we started talking about FTM? Right here. Right here. It did drop right here. What we said, buy the dip, just about 50 sats. Okay, 40 sats. Accumulate. Bang. Okay. Bang. So you tell me all season has not started yet. Bang. Okay. Term of percentage. Yes, I don't expect you to sell the top, but even if you sell halfway, that's 700% gain, buddy. Go ahead and buy FTM and expect like another move to the upside like that. You see if you're gonna get it very soon, right? With alt season, you don't buy after they break out. You buy before they break out. That's the secret. Okay, you buy before they break out. Buy before they break out. Buy before they break out. All our alt setups, right, got hit. Even like Monero, we picked it back in June and we were expecting a big move to the upside. That's exactly what we got right here. We sold right there. We said next accumulation zone 0.0064. We hit that target beautifully. Okay, beautifully. And all these targets queued them right there, you know. Ocean protocol, we anticipated this dump. Yes, it is even much lower, and it is now you know, reversing. Okay, take a look at CALR. It is ready to pump. Yes, it has not started yet. It is ready to pump very hard over the next few weeks. PHB is still lagging. Beam, IOST. I ain't gotta tell you about IOST. Sucker already pumped very hard, right? So Tomo, bang. Okay, bang. That's what you get with Sun Crypto, guys. That's what you get with Sun Crypto. That's what you get with Sun Crypto. So I know I guess 106, but yeah, be cautious with this guy right now. I mean, it is still a hold, but you don't want to be jumping in if you did not buy the 50 sats target. Willy Wonka, Inner House, Dodge. I mean, what happened to CHR? I don't know what happened to CHR. What do you mean what happened to CHR? Is CHR going to zero or something? Hey guys, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe, right? Join the public Telegram group if you haven't done so. Discord public link is also in the description. I mean, ADA went not from 8, but you know, from a penny and a half to 44 cents. We just hit our ADA target. Yeah, I didn't know RSR back in 2018. Yeah, I mean, I don't even talk about it. I don't even know anything about RSR. I just look at the chart. I like it. That's it. I try not to do any fundamentals. Okay, I look at the chart. If I like it, that's it. Because once again, crypto is full of promises, right? So you just have to think about it. Like if you want around like back in 2017, 2018, you might not understand that. Okay, you're gonna buy everything that is pumping because you're gonna make so much profits. You're gonna be very confident. All right, everything you buy is gonna go up, and man, when they dump, your hair gonna turn gray. Okay, I'm telling you. So be cautious. Buy what you feel comfortable with, right? Or buy best on the chart or whatever, right? I'm just telling you, man. I'm just telling you. Okay. My hair is not gray yet, but it almost turned gray. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. I think I got a Bitcoin Cash set up. I don't know where, but I have a beautiful Bitcoin Cash setup. I can't find it. Is it BCH BNB? Probably BCH. Let's take a look at it on Wabi. I think Wabi has a better chart. Yeah, I think on Wabi. No, I think it's just on the weekly. So BNB weekly is very, very bullish, right? It is very, very bullish. You can look at it in multiple ways. Okay, you can look at it in terms of trend lines. You could suck it up, say, guys, we're going to the moon, we broke the trend line. That's it. No need to do anything crazy. It is just a retest with a low volume. The next big move going to be big, okay? But most people can also get caught up with that move, like they're gonna buy the top right here and sucker gonna retest. So BNB, okay, it is still a hold, you know, but to break this resistance 600 going to be the big deal. Okay, can it still drop lower? Yes, it can still drop lower. Okay, it can still drop right there, retest the 250, but the structure is very, very bullish in terms of like going higher. It is just like at what price level we're gonna start going higher. Okay, but in terms of structure wise, it is very, very, very bullish. It looks like a bottom formation. Okay, it looks like a bottom formation. It is sad we did not get the move down here. This move, I don't know, maybe we got it on Binance, I'm not sure, but I don't think BNB dropped down to $70. Let's see, back in March. Let me double check. Yeah, it did not. Okay, so it's kind of bad. We did not get that move. But if like we retested that move, that would have made the structure even more. That would, I mean, it could make it better, but at the same time bearish, because it is gonna create this structure right here. Yeah, it is gonna be okay, but it would create something like this then before doing this. Okay, but so I think we're lucky enough we did not retest the bottom right here, but it is very, very bullish, man. It is very, very bullish. Yeah, we did break this line, depending how you want to draw it. If you want to draw it like that, you can. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, Jason, thanks a lot for the big tips, man. Oh man, is that Ollie? Jason, okay. That's my biggest tip I got. That's the biggest tip I got. $50. That's a lot, man. Thanks a lot, man. I really do appreciate it. Gonna make my XRP bag heavier. Actually, I'm gonna dump it on RSR. But we'll appreciate it if you join the premium group. That would be much appreciated, because you know you're gonna show support and you're gonna get the benefit also, guys. I'm not making 10% call, guys. So like I told you, I'm not making 10% calls. I'm not. So, but BNB very, very bullish. We got this structure. The only downside is like, once again, okay, this structure, I'm very familiar with it, right? It reminds me of Ethereum back in 2019. Okay, the Ethereum bottom formation before the breakout. Let's double check it, guys. I'm giving you live analysis, right, on the go, guys. Like, you get one of the best analysis. We don't man, I like this. I hate this screen. Let's do this. This screen taking me back. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get the beautiful screen right here. All right. So if we do this, right, you go back to Ethereum. Let me just make sure that's Ethereum, okay? Before. Take a look at it, guys. That's like I even forget about this move for Ethereum, man. Like, I swear to God, man. Yeah, most of you guys gonna be like, oh, you already played it, but guys, I'm telling you, man, this layout, I haven't looked at it for years, man. Since, like, you can see, like, I even forgot about, like, I got this move for Ethereum to the upside, right? You can see this move right here for Ethereum. Okay, remind me this breakout from Ethereum, guys. Same setup, guys. Same setup. Okay, same setup. Same exact setup, guys. Take a look at it right here. We got the impulse, we got the drop. Okay, we retest, drop the drop, move sideways. We just need this move, guys. So we already got the curve, curve right here. Three-way move down. We don't have a three-way move down, so that's why I'm saying we just have to be cautious just in case, right? We get the three-way move down right here. Right here. Okay. Just in case. Okay, so be ready for that move. It is still going to be bullish, nothing bearish. It's just going to be another opportunity to buy much cheaper Bitcoin Cash. Okay, much cheaper. It might not even break the support. Might just be something slow. So, and let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash BTC. Have to take a look at it on YB also, since it has a better history. So Bitcoin Cash BTC, the thing why Bitcoin Cash is not breaking out, Mike, thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure to hit the likes and subscribe. The reason why Bitcoin Cash is not breaking out is like Bitcoin Cash BTC is not breaking out yet. Okay, it's not breaking out yet, but I like the three-way move. The way we drop right here. Okay, I like it. That's what I'm saying. Like, we could get another one right here. Let's see. We could, but the probability doesn't look that high, just because the BTC pair already did it. So I don't see like Bitcoin Cash, right, the USD doing it when the the BTC pair already done it. So it means like the BTC pair could drop lower if, you know, this going to do the same thing. Do you see what I'm saying? If this going to drop, it means the BTC pair could drop lower. Okay, or the other possibility is like BTC going to drop much lower. That way Bitcoin Cash BTC can still go up, but Bitcoin Cash excuse me, but Bitcoin Cash or USD going to be dropping, and that scenario is, the likelihood of that scenario happening is very low. Okay, so the only way this guy can break out like 50%, right, and this guy drops, let's say 20%, is like BTC has to drop 30%. Okay, do you see what I'm saying? So because if you take, I mean, actually BTC has to drop a lot, okay, 20 to 30% probably, right? See what I'm saying? So because if this guy is dropping 20% in dollar value, while the BTC pair is dropping pumping 60%, it means BTC gonna drop a lot, because the dollar value is still dropping. It's not going up, even though this guy is doing so much effort. So that's why I'm saying I don't think that possibility happening. Okay, the likelihood is like, you know, we're most likely going to see probably a small correction on the BTC pair right here, right? And then that way we get this, just this three-way move down. That's it. And then we get the triple bottom right here, or double bottom, and then we're gonna go to the moon. That's the likelihood. That's the most probable scenario. Okay. So let's go back to the good stuff. But Bitcoin Cash, it is a good hold, right? If we break out once again versus BTC, it is even going to be a stronger buy. INJ, BTC doesn't have enough history, sucker. I mean, it is still a good hold. Doesn't have enough history, but it is still a good hold. One thing we notice is like it is giving you these big corrections. Okay, it's just giving you these big corrections. So the move right here is impulsive, broke the top, so it is still a good hold. INJ. Hey Mike, join the premium group to get the more, you know, the constant update about CRV. I give you a public update. Nothing has changed regarding CRV. Go ahead and watch that video, right? If you join the public Telegram group, you can also get that update, right? That video, nothing has changed regarding CRV. It is still moving to the upside. Take a look at CRV. I gave it to my premium, right? I gave it to my premium so cheap, like so cheap, man. Premium get it so cheap. You get it so cheap. That's the thing with the premium group. You get stuff like right here, like sushi. You buy it at 50 cents, right? Like CRV, you buy it at 40-50 cents. That's the stuff with the premium. It is still a good hold. And you know the upside target, we talked about CRV. We said it's gonna go up to $5, guys. Only Cent Crypto gonna give you this target. We talked about when it was $1, baby. 400% move, 5x, bang. Only Cent Crypto give you these targets. So CRV, what we said in terms of wave analysis, you got one. We're looking for a 1.618 extension on a log scale. It's on a log scale. It already hit our 1.618 extension, right? Bang. What happened? We broke it, we tested. That's the new wave we're looking for. Okay. That's the next wave we're looking for. Okay. And that's only going to be wave one. Okay. That's wave one. That's wave three, probably right here. And it could even go higher. So I think just suck it up and wait, not even do any waves analysis, right, on it. Just suck it up. Sucker can pump all the way up to $10, just like sushi. Just suck it up, suck it up, suck it up, suck it up. So let's go ahead and talk about my gems. Oh, they red today. My gems are red today. They're red today. It's okay. It's okay. Let's take a look at BLZ. BLZ BTC, I released it, right? I don't think I released it for the public, but I did tell you about BLZ BTC. Told you about BLZ BTC right here, right? Right there, right here. I told you about BLZ BTC by the dip right here when it was like 200. Okay, just like H bar. H bar right there, right here. H bar, the 13th of January, right there. It pumped all the way up to like 350. It still got like plenty of room to go. Okay, it can still correct and dump and still correct up. So HR can drive you crazy if you're waiting for it, right? If you're all in. So I'll go BTC. Yeah, not looking bad at all. Still a good hold. Guys, make sure to share in your other public Telegram group, right? Invite your other friends. Zilliker, Zcash, ARSR, XRP, all looking good. I know I didn't talk about XRP much today. Let's go to XRP. So XRP, what I said in my premium group, like on our weekly update, was like when XRP was right here. So a piece was missing. I knew something was missing right here. So what we were saying is like when XRP was right there, we said the move right here. Okay, remember guys, on our previous live stream, what we said, 1-to-1 extension right here, and right there. Okay, it did that, but the thing is, it did it on a lower degree. Okay, it did it on a lower degree. If you look at it well, we did retest the first pump to like 50 cents, right? Remember, 50 cents was 1-to-1 extension. 1.618 extension was like up to 80 cents. So it did retest it right here. Okay, it was pretty sharp, and then it pumped to the upside right there. Okay, so it was, the timing was very fast. The way it did it was pretty fast. But in terms of correction, in terms of direction, it hit direction range. Okay. Yeah, so okay. I mean GRS, I mean we talked about it last time. Peter. GRS we talked about last time is, I mean, it doesn't have enough history, but looking at the chart, what we said, I don't know why it looks nasty right there. No, that's not GRS, not G, that's GRS, yeah, GRT. GRT, basically we said it, what we said was like, guys, I'm giving you one of the best analysis, right? I'm giving you one of the best analysis. I can guarantee you guys, I'm giving you one of the best analysis. I'm giving you one of the best analysis, guys, like right here. That's what we told you guys, right? We told you don't sell it, right? When it was right here, also what we said, it's gonna do this, guys. Guys, it's still gonna do this, okay? So it is still a good hold. You're one of the best analysis. That's my other layout, but I can't remember exactly what I said on it. Guys, make sure to share, right, the content in your other public groups. Don't share it in your premium groups. They're gonna kick you out because you're gonna share the best analysis, right? In crypto, you don't want to send crypto in a alt season, guys. Yeah, Loom can still pump, but just Loom can still pump. I think it is still under accumulation though. Yeah, I think it is still under accumulation, but yeah, it is still a hold. We're above histogram right here, price action above 100 EMA, so any dips right here has to get bought up, so it is still a hold. So be ready for market to give you another opportunity right here, a quick one. It's not going to last too long, okay? It's not going to, if you know the move is ready, it's not going to last too long. It's going to be there for like maybe 24 hours, and you're going to be going to the moon after that. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, massive Bitcoin correction all season has begun, and 10,000% gain, guys. That's 1000x. So let's take a look at Wi-Fi. I like Wi-Fi BTC. I like Wi-Fi BTC a lot. I like Wi-Fi BTC a lot. Okay, we did get the triple bottom support. 1, 2, 3, actually 4. We're starting to make some beautiful high lows right here. Right, the wedge pattern played out beautifully right here. Okay, retest inside the wedge pattern. The first pump, this move is just correction. You just don't know how long it's going to take to complete the correction. It can still do something like this also, right? Something like it, and it's just going to take off. So it is just correcting. It is still a good hold. Okay, it is just a good hold. The correction could be complex, just like I said with XRP, right? This could be WXY, or it could be another X and another Y right here. Z, excuse me. But right now, since market is very bullish, let's just say it is WXY, and then it is going to be going to the moon. Right, I did. So the pattern is bullish. On the dollar value, it is still bullish again too, right? So on the dollar value, if you notice well, right? If you notice well, that's the same pattern we got on BTC, right? Back in 2018, right? That's the same pattern right here. And then BTC drops slowly right here, pump back right here, drop right there, do something like this, and then pump to 4K, 5K. So we could be expecting the same thing from Bitcoin, from this guy, to be very accumulative in this box. I mean, looking at it structure wise, it is like, I would say 60 to 70% ready for the pump. Okay. Just like BNB yesterday, I was bullish on it in our premium group, but I was just being cautious. But I was bullish on it. So if you take a look at BNB right here, the move we got right there. So saw the move right here, so I was like, okay, it can be overextended, drop down, give us a fake out, but the direction is up. That's it, right? You can see better and better. It's finna pump also. This move down here, people shorting this sucker right here. Wait till they hit $49, $50. Man, sucker gonna skyrocket on the hourly 21. Most likely, okay, most likely, not guaranteed. Yeah, pretty bullish, okay. I should join the join the premium group for more detailed analysis. Band is still pumping, so it is cooling off. Excellent, it is still a hold, so unless you're day trading. Algo is ready to pump on an hourly basis, so if you're looking for a short-term trade, it is looking to break out very soon. I wouldn't even short it below this range, even though you got a triple rejection right here, right? Even though you got triple rejection, I think the directional move was already there, so I would just ignore this entire piece and just look for my directional move right there, which is like almost 80 cents. Right? Only Sun Crypto can look at the market like this. That's your correction right here. This piece is just extra. Okay, if you cut it out, let's say I cut it out, right? Let's say I do this. Don't go ahead and do it if you don't know what you're doing. So only Sun Crypto can look at the market like that and tell you guys, this piece, don't look at it. Only look at this piece, which is your direction. Right here, right? This piece right here, right? This piece right here was not supposed to be there. I'm telling you, it was not supposed to be there. It's just a fake out, okay? It is just a fake out. You can see like MACD was already ready to cross bullish, right? So you got the flat, you got double bottom, pump to the upside, right? But if you played it, you get the fake out. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? You got the fake out, right? Guess what? Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, the fake out is what? Just a correction. Look at it. You see how it plays? Look at it. Bang. Trying to pump. Bang. Bang. You see? Bang. Pump. Bang. Pump. Bang. Pump. Bang. 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 You see? Wow. I'm not dropping. See how the candles play? Bang. See? The pump. See? You see, you play it candle by candle, you're gonna understand what's going on, right? This move is just a correction. Nothing has been going on. It's just pump and dump. The real move is right here. This is just an extra correction. So, but you can still implement it into your analysis, right? It is just going to be, you got your 5 wave, W, X, Y correction. Now you're going up. Okay, it's not going to change anything about the structure. It's just being able to understand why it did not break out. That's the most important. I mean, XLM is a whole, man. Like, yeah, XLM, it is still a hold. Yeah, it is still a hold. It just need to break resistance right here. It just need to break resistance, upside resistance, all the way up to like a 1700 sats. Right there, right here. It's still a hold. Yeah, one bit is creeping up slowly. So is it a good hold right here? So 20 sat. It was a good buy. It is still a good buy right here. We got a one target in our premium, so it is still a good hold right here. One is the same, I think it's the same thing as FT, FET, BTC, so it's the same chart, it's just different assets. It's the same thing, different asset. One in FET. I'm telling you guys, I know exactly what I'm telling you guys. So same chart, different assets. Oh, RVN. RVN BTC not looking bad. It is still a hold. It's been a premium target. It's been lagging, but it's gonna catch up and it's gonna surprise everyone. Yeah, it is still a good hold right here. It's gonna break all these resistances. It's gonna fly like a bird right here. So look for resistance primary, just about 194 to 294 resistance. Primary resistance right here. So still a good hold. So also a good buy at the bottom right here, just about 50 range. Don't try to get it like around like a 28. It might not drop that low. Yeah, plenty of opportunities, no need to FOMO, man. VET USD is also ready to pump, right? But once again, it could do something like the coin I just showed you, right? It could do something like this, okay, where you're gonna get a nasty correction right here before pumping. But the overall structure is bullish, right? So, because the thing is, the BTC pair, VET BTC is not, it is bullish, right? But it's not breaking out yet. Okay, we need to break above 100 sats, big candle, and then we could be looking for further move to the upside, right? So VET BTC very accumulative. It has given us so much, so much like a time to accumulate it right here. So if it breaks out, it's not going to look back. It's going to do something like this. Man, I think I'm telling you, man, YouTube is censoring my channel, man. I'm telling you, man. Let's do this. Let's check something out really quick. Guys, hit the likes and subscribe, right? Hit the likes and subscribe, right? Let's get our 10,000 subscribers before February. Before April, not February. Yeah, I had a setup yesterday. Retest of 19.5. Completely forgot about it. Yeah, 16.05 to 17.5. It pumped nicely back up though. I mean, I'm looking at Robbie. I'm just not talking about it. I'm watching. I watch it. I got it. I got Wabi. Yeah, I mean, I know YouTube is just doing some nonsense. That's why I'm saying, guys, join the public Telegram group, right? Because if I'm doing, even if you don't participate, right, you can just get the pin messages, right? So that way you get notified, right? You get notified when I pin a message. It's crazy what YouTube is doing to me, right? So join the public Telegram group. Also the Discord link in the description, so you can get this notification. All right. Yeah, just make sure to subscribe, guys, and also hit the notification all. Right? Because me too, man. I'm subscribed to some channels, but I never get notification. Right? I never get notification from them. I'm starting to be hungry right now, man. The Discord link in the description, right? So if you want to join Send Crypto, right? Also the Telegram link in the description. So Wabi, somebody mentioned Wabi. Wabi, I'm watching it closely. Just doing a lot of pumps and dumps. So it just pumped right here yesterday, but I just don't like the wicks. In terms of buying, it is a good hold. Okay, has resistance. You see, that's like a 2019 analysis for Wabi right here. So we're gonna get there like 6,000. We're gonna get there. That's like a 23x move. So we're gonna get to we're gonna get there. Yeah, since like April, the first week of April, right there, it did it dropped like the last 3 years, right? 2019, 20, oh man, 19, 22 years, right? It dropped like 98%. So it's nowhere else to go right now. The divergence right here failed. It was a bullish divergence, but it failed to break out. We're getting another one right here. This one probably not gonna fail. Right? Probably. Okay, not guaranteed 100%. Let's see. Immediate resistance just about 1,000. So which is a 3x move, right? So Wabi, I'm not saying to go buy it, but it is a good hold if you're holding it. Yeah, man. I know, man. YouTube is sucking it up, man. I don't have an engine right here, guys. I don't know what's wrong with Filecoin, but it's not moving yet. But let's see what we're gonna get within the next few months. telling you, man, 10 Crypto giving you the best analysis, man. Look at this, man. That's all you need to do. Buy right here when we say buy, right there. Even to 60 cents, even $1, 75 cents, right? So you have to do. So let's see if BNB can keep up with the momentum. The thing is, like, it is bullish. We got the bullish crossover, so I don't think it's a fake out. You know, it could be, but you know, we got similar structure multiple times right here where we broke out, but price action did not continue to the upside. Okay, you can see like we did it back here, was very bullish pattern, right? It pumped, right? It dumped right back down with the 100 EMA, but it still ended up pumping. That's why I'm telling you, like, sometimes this pattern, they can fail temporary, but the direction is not going to change. Yeah, hopefully it's not going to do the same thing, right? Where it is going to fail right now and dump right back down here and resume the move to the upside. So if you panic, you might be selling at $30, $20 and all of that. It will be a buy if it does that, because the directional move is already up. Nothing should be moving down right now. Okay, any downside potential right here, it is just going to be accumulation before the next move. That's it. That's why you cannot be bearish, or you cannot be bearish just because market dropped. Okay, market dropped. But let's see, I'm bullish on it, so let's see if like we're gonna pump higher. If not, it's like a good drop. Yeah, Tezos is still moving sideways, so still accumulation. It's still being accumulated, still under accumulation. Let's see, let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin before we take a look at Tezos. With Litecoin thinking, Litecoin is still under accumulation on a 3-day basis, not breaking it yet, so we can definitely get another move right here, right there. You're welcome, KP. Thanks a lot. I didn't know you were on the background. XTZ. Yeah, just so I wanted to do so XTZ, what I was saying is like it is a buy, okay? Even if market's condition changes, right, and we get this drop, it is still going to be a buy because the directional move is up. It could be a leading diagonal, we test right here and pump to the upside, right? But let's see. But if we break above like a $3, right, let's take a look at it on Bitfinex on a 50-day cycle. I already showed you that layout, right? It is a buy under 350 right here. Anything under 350, it is a buy. It is a buy. You gotta wish like we even drop below this range. You gotta pray, okay? Pray, man, pray, okay? We drop, because once we break above this 50-day cycle, it might be a new cycle. It might be like a yearly uptrend, okay? It might not even gonna retest like for a very long time, might not retest $3 again, okay? Just like BNB, I just showed you BNB, right? Same setup, same thing. That's a macro cycle, right? I mean, can it fail? Yes, it can fail, but I just have to go with what I see, not what I want to see. So same thing with, same thing with BNB right here. You can see that BNB just broke the macro cycle structure, right? Just broke the macro. So BNB is a good hold, okay? And the 50-day open right here is like $36, okay? So I don't see like BNB dropping all the way down like to 36 within the current 50-day cycle. Yeah. Can it happen? Yes, but it doesn't seem like it is realistic. Not even like $30. So BNB pretty safe for now. For now, okay, for now. I mean, long term for, I don't know, man. You just take profit, man. If you like your gains, you take profits, okay? Remember, like when Tesla's was like what, $1, most people take profit like probably were like a $5, $3, $4. You see what I'm saying? So if you're satisfied with your profit at $10, you can take it. If you're satisfied with your profit at, you know, $8, you can take it. But it do have a potential over $50 really. If like we're gonna be in, if and only if we're gonna be in a bull run. It is not guaranteed, right? Bitcoin bull run is over. You see what I'm saying? It is all about probability, right? Yeah, so give your chance a probability to be wrong, just in case, like you know, 42K is a top, is a top, right? And you know, we just have to go through a potential another bear market before going back up, right? Give your chance that probability by saving cash, just in case, right? Just in case, because market could be very crazy. I don't see it happening, but I'm always like looking for other, you know, you know, paying attention to other setups, right? Just in case, just in case. Yeah, I'm not, I don't want to see this, okay? But you know, I don't want to see it, but we just have to be cautious just in case, right? Right now, all I see is like a potential move right here, probably right there, mid 25, right? Or we might, on a low degree, we might be done with the pump on the 8-hour basis, as we called it, right? Live also, right? The move right here, right? We called for this move, right? We said we were very confident we're going to get this move, and we could potentially get that move on the low degree, okay? But the way we're going to drop right here could be very complex. You see what I'm saying? It can even do this, okay, on the 8-hour, do that, do this, and then do that. So it can correct in time again, okay? Most people are going to buy the top right here. Remember, the lower degree right here, we already got our target in our premium, right? What we said was like, don't short it right here. It's going to go back right here, okay? Okay, what we said yesterday, right? Before the, even before the pump right here, when it was right here, we said don't short it. This move, okay, it is one of our favorite moves. It's gonna do this, bang, guys, bang. So some people took the short right there, 34.7, exactly as I said in my premium update, right? So, but if you take a look at it on the higher time frame, this move is just noise, right? If you take a look at it on the 8-hour, if you check it on the 8-hour, right, it is just noise. It you know, it can still, okay, disregard our move on that hourly and get a bigger move on the 8-hour like this. You see what I'm saying? Because on the hourly we already got this move. Okay, remember the hourly, we already got the move right here, right? 1, 2, 3. You see, that's the hourly, that's the lower time frame. But on the higher time frame, right, it might just give you this pattern with no bullish divergence, and it's going to keep pumping higher on the 8-hour. You see what I'm saying? that move, and then that move, and that it means it's gonna correct in time longer, just like what we got back in 2019 right here, if I remember well, right? So it is, I don't think we in a trend since like January, so we just moving sideways. Okay, you see right here, okay, right here, right there, right there, okay, and it's gonna lag behind, it's gonna lag a little bit and then give you that move. Yeah. Yeah, back then, that's what I was anticipating right here. I was expecting this move gonna do something like this, right? Before pumping right there, okay? But we didn't get it right there, right? But still, we got the directional move. But right here, but it ended up giving it to us right here, okay? So we got this move, that move, got the internal move right here before getting this move and that move, and got this entire flat correction right there. This was just a correction, and most people missed it, did not know what was going on. Most people missed it, but we played it beautifully, right? So hey Sen, are you getting my moon boots ready? Get out of here, Jerome. Yeah. Let's see. It's very boring right now to trade BTC. Just, you know, if you short it right here, just suck it up with a stop loss. Okay, it's very boring. You're not getting any trend. When the direction is ready, we're gonna take it. Just trade the alt right now. Yeah, balance and move was gonna. Yeah, VChain we got the same setup, but it's not yet at the bottom. That's the only thing with VChain. VChain is somewhere around here. I'm thinking like we're gonna retest till the 0.022 for VChain, but let's see what market will give us. This crazy Litecoin not moving at all. But it could do something like what OMG did. We've been holding OMG the last 7 days or so, you know, but it did not break out till basically today, right? So if you panicked, you would have sold your OMG, right? So right here, okay, right there was still a buy right there. So the OMG pattern is there. It's just like are we gonna break out? The pattern is there. We got the double bottom right here, you know, we got the bull flag right there. We just breaking out right now. Are we gonna create another bull flag right here before continuing to the upside? That's the only thing. That's the only thing. The big correction is right here. It's done. It's done. The correction is done. you were the 100 likes. Thanks a lot, man. Guys, make sure to share. Okay, the next step to do when you like, you subscribe, you hit the notification. You just have to share it in your other public Telegram group. Right? That's all you have to do. Don't share it in your premium groups. You're gonna get in trouble, and you're not gonna get a refund. So share it in your public Telegram group. Is Send Crypto, right? At Send Crypto 0. That's it. So we can grow together. Check RSR. RSR, once again, it's the same setup as this sucker we just talked about. What is it again? I think band, right? Band, yeah. That's the same setup right here. That very impulsive move. You got your flat, you got your double bottom. This move is coming. It's coming, guys. I'm telling you, it's coming. And it is a beautiful 30% move. Okay. Let's see. We just talked about it on band. Guys, I'm telling you, man, you can give me any chart, guys, any chart you like, any markets. Okay, I'll give you a trade setup to look for. Any charts, man. That's how confident we are right now. Until market wreck us, right? So you take a look at band, guys. Look at these setups, man. Same thing. Can you read the market likes in crypto? If you can, let me know. And all market, not just crypto, all market. So once you become very familiar with crypto, you're gonna be so confident you're gonna take a look at any type of market, even silver. You know, when I was calling for that silver breakout, man, that was like weeks ago. So you take a look at band right here. Let's take a look at RSI. Okay, so let's not forget about our Bitcoin Cash breakout. Okay, any dips has to get bought up. Very accurate. Oh man, this sucker, when it start pumping, man, all of you guys gonna be buying Bitcoin Cash at 5,000. I'm telling you. Let's see. I'm fired up. Let's get this crypto. RSR, bang. Guys, take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Yes, it has a hidden bearish pattern, the RSI setup. However, the hidden bearish pattern, you only can see it on a daily basis, which is like the two engulfing candles right there. Okay, but take a look at the two patterns, guys. You tell me, even down to the moving averages, right? Let's see. I don't know why I don't have my EMAs. Take a look at the 100 EMAs right there. Take a look at the in terms of patterns, right? The two red lines. Right, this one is a 50, but let's take it down to the 21. All right, take a look at how contracting it is. How contracted it is, right? It is gonna blast off very beautifully. Okay, I think if it drops, it's just could be a fake out. Okay, it's good blast. So the setup is there. That's what I'm saying. I think I just showed you on one of the, I can't remember, but like 15 minutes ago I was talking about one alt, like, and I was showing you, like, I was doing the replay and I was like, this move's supposed to go up, right? And the move to the downs, on the sideways was just a correction. I can't remember which alt it is, but if you played it maybe 20 minutes, if you replay 20 minutes, you're gonna know which one it is. So same thing we got right here. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup, guys. And what we got right here on band, 40% move. Okay, so 35% move. So be ready for this, buddy. Now I can look at Ether for 5 minutes, maybe 1 minute. I'm just joking. I know what you meant. People usually say, can you look at Ether for a second? But can you look at Ether for 5 minutes? I'm just joking. I know what you meant. So Ether is just, it is still a hold. If it any dips, once again, go back and watch the beginning of the live stream. Any dips right here, you know, it is going to be another opportunity. That's it. But the, you know, the directional is the direction move is up. Okay, we got this small bullish pattern. It can take off. That's the one I was looking for, actually, right here on BNB. I thought BNB did the same thing. No, BNB just pumped, right? It did not correct. So we do have a potential breakout right here. Okay, it is a triangle, but it could break out. I'll go with the bullish pattern. Okay, and just be mindful of the buying opportunity right here. If you're long in right here, that might be very aggressive, right? Really, right? But if you buy in spot, I think that's not a big deal to buy. Like, not financial advice, but it's not a big, I don't think it's a big deal for the bulls to be buying right here. Okay, because bulls are pretty confident. They know, okay, so okay, we're just gonna suck it up and then we're gonna buy spot again right here. And our average is gonna be right there. That's it. The alt you are talking about, XDZ, you showed us. Which alt? Tell me which alt it is. I don't know. I can't, man. I'm talking about this. Like, the thing is, sometimes I just look at chart. Like, I just look at charts. I don't really, like, you know, pay attention to the name. I mean, I pay attention to the name, but I don't, like, have, like, emotional attachment to the name. Like, I just remember the ticker. That's it. Or sometimes I can't remember the chart, but I don't remember the ticker. Because I just remember charts, right? Yeah, I remember tickers too, but you know, but sometimes 2 hours live stream, right? 3 hours almost. This is a lot of information, right? I know some of you guys saying it's long, but I mean, it's free. If you wanna get the premium, you get the shorter one, details, right? But I'm enjoying it. Even if it's 5 hours, I'm enjoying it, right? Some people go to work for 8 hours and they hate it, right? So if I enjoy something for 3 hours, and I'm paying myself too, right? So you know, and I'm giving free quality target, free quality content, right? So I don't think 3 hours live stream is that long. Like, I mean, it's long for people who watch. I mean, yeah, maybe for people who are not interested, right? It might be long, but people who are interested, it's not that long. For instance, I listen to Peter Schiff all the time, and his podcast is like 1 hour, nearly 55 minutes to 1 hour. But I never get enough of him. Sometimes I'll listen to it like twice, 3 times. So it's just depend on the interest. Even though he bashes like crypto, Bitcoin, and all of that, I mean, he's right also. Most of his argument is right, you know. You know, you cannot compare Bitcoin to, I know most of you guys are going to be mad, but I really don't care. But I think gold is the real gold, right? Gold has a more intrinsic value than Bitcoin, right? But you can also make your argument. I'm not saying Bitcoin is trash, or I'm not going to get into that, right? But you cannot compare gold with Bitcoin. Bitcoin can go to 1 million, but it will never be gold, right? Just because it is going up, right? It does not mean it is the best. Okay, anything can go up. Like every single coin right there goes up, like you know, 50x, 30x. But why they're not better than Bitcoin? Okay, some of them never got hacked before, right? And they're all blockchain. So you can make that argument. So I think like let's just, the best thing to do, once again, make the profits, right? Make the gains, and also, you know, try to take some profits. That's the most important. Okay, but the argument might not, you know, be necessary. Whether Bitcoin is better than gold or gold is better than Bitcoin, I don't get into that argument. I just play the market, right? For instance, you cannot say like Amazon is better than you know, than Bitcoin. Amazon, you know, or Bitcoin is better than stuff like that in terms of fundamentals. Just make the profit. That's the most important. I don't get into arguments. Which one is better? Good stuff, buddy. Good work. Thanks a lot. Yeah, silver is breaking out. But silver, we need to break $37. If we can break $37 by late March, that's going to be a huge breakout. I don't have time to show you the silver chart right now, but yeah, you see that's I don't even know I got this set up right here for silver. Let's see. That's not my silver. Yes, I think silver will take off. I think we'll take off, right? I don't know if you guys watch my. I don't know if you really pay attention to crypto, right? This pattern right here, it is the same pattern as altcoin setups right now, same exact thing. And this pattern started like February 2016. You see the bottom formation we got like from you know, from like 2018, right, for alt down to like the March lows. I just analyzed Neo, guys. Neo, right? Let me show you Neo. You get the one of the best analysis, guys, right? Yeah, RSI, not RSI, but Neo. Hey, what's up, Yas? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Yeah, I mean, I don't think he accepted. He just like, you know, I think he uses BitPay, right? So they're gonna basically, you know, convert it into a dollar when you pay in Ethereum and BTC. I know he hates, not hates, but he does. I don't think he hates it. I don't think Peter got enough energy for hating, but he is making a good argument. Okay, you cannot discount that, right? Just disagree with him and make a good argument. I think that's the best thing. Take a look. I just gave you guys an analysis regarding Neo. Okay, if you take a look at silver right here and just Neo, right? Not all alt, because all the alts they're making the same pattern nearly, right? Look at silver and Neo, that's the same pattern right here. Same exact pattern. I just remove everything. Right, same exact pattern. You got the move to the upside, right? You got the move to the upside, right? And you got the move to the downside right here, right there, and right there, right? Change the color, say in yellow, remove these yellows, right? Let's remove these yellows, right? You got this move, 1, 2, right? Same exact pattern, right? And what else we got after that? We got this move. Let's do it. We might not see the red. Let's do purple, right? Is that purple or violet? I don't know. Okay, and we do this one, right there. Okay, what we did after that is like beautiful pump, right? One. Okay, change it in green, and we got this move one. Okay, yes, the degree is not the same. And after that, what we did right here, we got this move 1 2 3 in yellow. If you take a look at this one, it is also a 1 2 3. You got 1 2 and 3 right here. And now what we make, now what silver is doing is like got another green impulsive from who? Neil Bank. But we got from silver, it is kind of like a three-way, but you could say like a impulsive also, right? Same setup, different assets, different time frame. This move started like 2015 and like 2020. That's 4 years, right? Nearly 2016. That's 4 years, right? 2020. This one started like 2018, right? December, March 2020. So that's a year, just about like a year and a quarter. So a different time frame, same pattern. Okay, they started like different time frames, right? Yeah, we already covered RSR. We say it's bullish. Just rewind like maybe 20 minutes, but we just cover like not even 20 minutes. I think like 15 minutes max. RSR. I think RSR is on this layout near too. So let's. Yeah, RSR. Yeah, it is right there. We're looking for this move right there. So don't go ahead and 100 exit, please. it has nice correction. I don't know. It has. First time I heard of it was like, I think like in right here. I think right here, but did not pay attention to it. Wanted to wait for a market to give us a nice setup, but. Yeah, also we could get the 30% pump. The BTC pair is like calling for like, calling for some crazy prices. It's not ready yet. It's still within the channel, but it could be ready very soon. Guys, if you just joined the stream, hit the likes. We should get like 600 people watching right now. 2,000 people. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. You just gotta get the habit, right? As soon as you join, you hit the likes. As soon as you just click, hit the likes, right? That helps a lot. I'm giving you quality content, man. All these setups, right? You can see it right here. I can show you like all these setups right here in alt. All these setups right here. That's our November setups. That's our current setup for alt. Right now, this move right here on the lower degree, like that's the November accumulation, right? That's the dump right here. And all the alt, they make it the same setup right here, right now. You can go check it. On a 2-day basis, that's what we're making. November, that's what we did right here. Okay, you could argue it was a flat, but you could also argue, depending which one you're looking at, like FTM was like a triangle, was not a flat. But if you take a look at BZRX, was like a flat, right? It did retest the top right here. And what we're doing right now is that we're creating one right here. But since alt is not, it's not the same as silver, they tend to pump all the way up to August high, stuff like that, right? That's the same setup you're making right now. Okay, right now. You can go check it. I can show you any alt right now. any alt right now. These are my other layouts. That's why you see that's my other layout. That's my ETHEREUM. We had a nice pump set up right here back in 2019, but did not break out, did not hit the target quite yet right there. Just about, you know, 80,000 right here, did not hit it. And we talked about the ETHEREUM breakdown also back then with the WXY and NEO, all of them we talked about this. But let's go back to the good stuff right here. That's a November correction right here. Some of them created a flat, some of them created, you know, overextendedly, and then right now we got this pattern right here. Yeah. I don't know about Bitcoin 69 minutes. Guys, I'm hungry right now. Let's go get something to eat. Let's see. CRV, Civic, CVC. Yeah, I don't have a Civic set up right now. I mean, I don't have Civics set up. I don't have Civics on this layout. Civics could be pumping very soon. I think we talked about Civics. Civics BTC is on a is making a better pattern, if I remember well. Yeah, Civics BTC is making a better pattern. Okay, let's wait for the breakout. Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. Yeah, I'm not recommending anything. Join the premium group so you can get my setups. Right, I'm just analyzing the chart, and if you like him, enjoy him. Balance is still looking very good. Yeah, BNB looks very bullish. I just don't know if it's gonna give us a fake out for the pump or not, but it looks pretty bullish. Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, man. It's been like nearly 3 hours. So if you're new to our content, you know exactly what to do, right? Hit the like, subscribe, join my public Telegram group. If you want to upgrade to my premium group, you get better stuff. You get like real setups, and we got the monthly subscription right now if you're looking to subscribe, right? So yeah. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.